Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're unboxing the March Sew Sampler. So if you're new to the Sew Sampler boxes, they are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes put out by Fat Quarter Shop. They are $29.95 a month plus shipping. I will put a link on where you can get the Sew Samplers below. Sometimes they're sold out, sometimes they have a wait list, and sometimes they have boxes left. So it's always worth it to check and see if you like what you see in today's video. This box is called Spring Revival, and there is a QR code for a flowering quilt along with a free pattern as well, along with a coupon code for a free Kimberly's Color Mini cutting mat with purchase of $40 or more. So make sure to look on the back of your insert. They always have fun goodies there. And we're just gonna dive right in. So we're gonna start off with the Peaceful Basket Sew Along. So in this month's box, we did receive block number 12 along with the finishing kit instructions as well, which means next month we're going to be starting a new sew along. And I have been collecting all of the patterns from this sew along so that we can do a fun giveaway here. So I will be giving that away in today's giveaway, along with some of the fabric and patterns that are coming in this box. So stay tuned to the end of this video for that giveaway. The value for the block number 12 and finishing is at $9.96. And they do have all the patterns available on their website as well as the finishing settings. So you can grab all of those patterns on the Fat Quarter Shop website if you're interested in making the pattern. All right, and then one of the first things we have in our box here is the Olfa Endurance 45mm rotary blade. This value is at $14.98, and it says crafted from special quality steel. Olfa Endurance rotary blades are trusty 45mm cutter cuts like a dream. It lasts twice as long as regular blades. It stays sharp for ages and breezes through cotton, wool, paper, vinyl, leather, and more. Keep your quilt mojo going with nice, clean cuts. And I do love these. These are my go-to blades. I do think they last a little bit longer. I will say that I don't use these, well, I don't use my new ones on paper. So I always reserve my new ones for fabric. Once those get a little bit dull, then I'll move them over to either batting or paper, just because I don't want to ruin my brand new blades. I want to keep those nice and sharp for my fabric. But these are my go-to, and then I use them in my Olfa 45mm splash rotary trimmer, or recently I've been using this one. This one came in my last Sew Sampler box. It feels a little bit flimsier to me than the 45mm. That one feels a little heavier and more solid in my hand. However, I am getting used to this little grip right here. It releases the blade, which is really nice. And I do like that it's safety. So you can actually press this little red button right here to lock it and unlock it, which is great for kids. And then also when I go to cut and then let go, my blade is already protected just as I'm sewing. So it is a nice feature, but either way, I use that, my 45mm splash, but I always use it with the Endurance blades. The next thing we have in our box is this iron cleaner. This values at $6.48, and it is by Odif, who is the same person who makes the 505 basting spray. So if you've used 505, this is the same company, and 505 was my go-to before I got my long arm. So this says the iron cleaner by Odif is your new BFF for a spotless pressing session. Say goodbye to any residue and fusible gunk with this acid-free wonder. Just heat your iron, dab some cleaner on a 100% cotton towel, and gently rub the sole plate in circular motions. Once it's sparkling clean, do a final wipe on a clean towel to erase any leftover cleaner, and your iron will be ready to press on, shiny and new. It also has instructions on the back, and when you pull it out, it's this little squishy bag. And it almost looks like glue. So I did go ahead and give this a test because I had just gotten done making a bag with fusible foam, and I did get some of that fusible on my Laura Star, which I did not want to do. I tend to have a sacrificial iron that I use whenever I'm doing fusible, just so that I don't ruin my good iron. But I did use it, and here is the towel that I used it on. And hopefully you can see that gunk on the towel. It did get a bunch of stuff off the bottom of my iron, which was really nice. And I did have to do a couple passes with this, and then there were some spots on my iron that I actually had to just take this and kind of scrub it on the bottom of my faceplate just to get off like extra you know, tough, like there was some really dark brown stuff on there. I think it was from the fusible. So anyways, here is the proof. It works great and it didn't damage the faceplate for my iron. I also have a video here on how to clean your iron as well on YouTube. I didn't use this because I think this is a new product. I used a magic eraser, which also worked really well. But now that I have this product, I actually do really like it. I think it did a great job and my iron was nice and sparkly clean when I was done. All right, the next thing we have was a surprise. This is a pink mini vacuum by Fat Quarter Shop, and this was a Sew Sampler Got It First item. It values at $8.98, and it is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive. And it said, this mini vacuum makes it easy to revive your sewing room. Turn it on and sweep it over any cutting mat, ironing board, or design wall to instantly clear away lint, dust, threads, and fabric bits. With a charging cord and easy to hold shape, the pink mini vacuum is a clear winner. It comes with a USB charging cable, a vacuum nozzle, and a small electronics brush. And so here's what the base of it looks like, and I'll go ahead and turn it on for you. Here, I'll put it by my thing so you can hear it. And it actually works pretty good. It doesn't have super high suction. Here are the two attachments it comes with. So it has a little brush and then it has this little like baby sucker. What I thought this would be good for would be cleaning out all the fuzz from inside my sewing machine. I will say that the suction isn't quite good enough. So I tried that and it just wasn't sucking the stuff out. But if you get it out onto your table and then suck it up with it, it works great. The other thing it actually works pretty well on is my design wall. So I have a Feltrite design wall in my room. And you know, you get little strings all over when you have blocks hanging up. And so this is great. You can just rub it over the design wall and it sucks up any of those little loose threads. And then to empty it, you just turn it and just this little bottom pops off. Just empty out your fuzz and then it just latches back on like that. So it's really cute. It's got the Fat Quarter logo on top, and then here is just where you charge it by USB cord. So it's really cute. This is super unique. Never seen anything like this in a box, so I was kind of happy to get this. I don't know how much I'll be using it just because, like I said, the suction isn't like super great, but it is a kind of cute little notion to have in your sewing space. The pattern for this month is the Waterfall Quilt pattern by Fat Quarter Shop, values at $9.98, and it says, wash away those winter blues with a clean slate. The Fat Quarter friendly Waterfall Quilt pattern from Fat Quarter Shop is a delightful adventure featuring charming friendship stars in every block. Revive your sewing machine with this stunning quilt and the included Fat Quarter bundle in this month's box. And it looks like they also have limited finishing kits available for you from Fat Quarter Shop as well. I did look at this. It does look like it's fairly beginner friendly. It's just a combination of half square triangles and friendship stars. So it's really beginner friendly and it finishes at 56 by 68. Here's the fabric. This is the Waterfall New Beginnings Petite Fat Quarter Bundle by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake Designs. It values at $28.98 and it says, welcome to spring with open arms and new beginnings. This collection is a delightful mix of stunning florals and chic geometric prints in a dreamy palette of cream, apricot, blush, buttercream, and teal. This 10-piece Fat Quarter Bundle holds each lovely hue as your sewing machine will hum with joy. And your sewing machine will hum with joy as you craft your springtime masterpieces. There are 10 fat quarters in here, and I'm not going to take it all the way apart because I will be doing a giveaway for this bundle. But as you can see, the colors are just happy and springy and lots of fun. And then used in coordination with that quilt, I think it would be a really fun spring quilt to have. All right, that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add it up for you. The total value for this month's box is $79.36. I think that's a really good value for the box price. Now, like I've mentioned in previous videos, I've actually kept all of the block patterns for the Peaceful Baskets Sew Along. I included block 12 and the finishing patterns as well, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this, plus a few of the fun items from today's box. So in order to enter to win this giveaway, I have a few rules. Rule number one, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I like to do the giveaways for my subscribers as a way to say thank you. Number two, leave a comment below letting me know your favorite thing about springtime, whether it's an activity or a project or a craft that you enjoy doing. Just leave that in the comments below. And then number three, I'm sorry, but US only. Shipping international is super expensive, so I do keep my giveaways to US only. I will be picking one winner from those comments below to receive the full set of the pattern basket, so along with some of the goodies from today's box, and I may throw in a few other goodies in there as well. If you win, I will reply to your comment here on YouTube. I will also put your name down below this video in the description box. It'll say winner, and then it'll say your username. So make sure you check there. You can also email me at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com. If you think you won, please do not contact anyone else or reply to any other comments other than sending me an email. There's a lot of spammers out there, so I do apologize. It's just a lot safer for you to contact me directly at erica@confessionsofahomeschooler.com if you think you won. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and you can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video. And a free Kimberly's cutter, mini color knitting mitt. And can you see that? Oh, here we go. Here is our fabric. Why am I having hair everywhere? Here's our fabric. Oh my gosh, that's the fuzz. Fuzz from my vacuum.